Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 2A, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And once you see your boot options, hold power off. This in turn will change into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. Now the device will begin rebooting, and once it boots up, it will automatically boot into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any kind of third-party application that is on the device will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up. Now, obviously this mode is designed for troubleshooting, so if you have any kind of software problems with your device, well, there's no real reason to boot into this mode, as it does limit the usability of the phone itself, so you will see that in a second. So you can see we have a marking at the bottom, and once the device boots up, you can see we have at least one application that is grayed out like this. And if you try to open it up, it gives you a pop-up: downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now this only applies to the apps that are on the home screen that will look like this. Applications in your app drawer will just completely disappear, at least the ones that cannot be opened. So if you have some kind of application that maybe is causing you problems and you want to get rid of it, but it's not on your home screen, you would need to go to the settings, apps, and then find it in the list of installed apps and remove it that way. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, again you can hold the power button, volume up, and then select restart. Once the device boots back up again, it automatically goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.